Lee, how are you?
Hey, Kevin, good to see you. How are you?
Same. I'm well, thank you. We're talking irrigation, huh?
Yes, we are.
Love irrigation.
Water, water, water.
But important, right? Because it can actually save your investment, and people have got a lot of money in the yard, and you don't want to lose it every
Your
summer.
lawn, your shrubs, your trees. So.
Yeah, it can make everything look beautiful, but it also is a more efficient way to water if you really dial in the system.
Correct.
So what have you got for us?
So I got in-ground ones.
Yeah.
Okay. So I got some pop-up heads. These two here, and this is a rotary head.
Okay.
So these pop-up heads for like a perennial bed, something like that. You know, for height, maybe getting over some perennials. This one here works really well. Look at that. Okay.
So you want to get that up over so that you're
Correct.
reaching down into the garden, get past that front line of hospital or whatever it may be.
That's what this works really well.
And is this a pop-up as well?
This is a pop-up as well, but this would be for lawn. You know, like a narrow strip of a lawn. That's what this will work, yes.
So the purpose of the pop head here is that you don't see the fixture when it's not in use. You can mow over it, but when the system comes on, up it comes just enough to cast it out.
Correct.
And that one?
This rotary head. This one shoots about 15 to 20 feet. Something like this you might not want to put in your perennial bed or something like that. This is strictly for lawn area.
Because it's got a lot of pressure, power, and you can knock the heads of your black-eyed Susans off or whatever.
Exactly.
Not that it's happening. Asking for a friend, Lee.
Yeah, I know. I've done it. But this works really well for something like that. Okay.
And then the little heads themselves, we can control sort of how much of a rotation it's got, right?
45 or 90 or 360.
Oh, yeah.
And it's color coded, okay? Right. These ones here are 360s.
Different colors mean different things?
Correct.
What do you got there?
This one here is like a 45, so it just fans out 45.
If I've got this, you can pop out what's in there, put the new one in.
Correct. And what's nice now, they have the ones that have like the watering, you know, twirling. It's pretty. It's nice. Works out good.
Just hypnotized me. I was like, some piping?
Yes. So this one here is a drip pipe.
Oh, yeah.
Drip holes here.
Yep. I do.
And this one here is perfect for just putting the water down where you need it on your plants and trees and things like that.
Super efficient.
Yes.
Like you say, it just drips in there. You don't get any evaporation, and it puts it right where you want it.
And a trick with this is you don't want to put it like on top of the tree. You want to put it out a little bit away from the tree so the roots go out after it. And that's a trick on these.
Make them chase the water.
Correct.
Supply pipe, I presume?
Supply pipe coming in, and it feeds all this right here.
Beautiful. And then connections.
Yes.
So the big to the bottom, maybe? Is that right?
Exactly.
And then this is sort of just a push-on compression to the piping? All right. So now this is sort of the manual world?
Yep.
That's adorable. What's this?
This is really nice. It's like a little mushroom one. If you have a small courtyard, say in like inner city or something like that, or just a small yard somewhere, this works fine.
Just connect it to the hose.
Correct.
Put a timer on it maybe, or just turn it on and off.
Yep.
Boy, I know those.
This one here makes that funny noise. That was a dance too.
That's what I was saying.
But this works really well, you know.
That's awesome.
And this gets you distance. It's a little aggressive, so you might not want to put this by your plants, things like that.
Right.
But, you know, get the lawn done.
Okay. And then tried and true, this one's been around forever?
All our grandparents and everyone had those.
Back and forth, oscillating. Run through it in your bathing suit when you're a little kid.
Exactly.
If you had to pick between one or two of these,
I like this one, yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Because?
It's easy. I think it's easier to dial in, you know.
Good. So obviously lots of other heads out there. You just brought a couple different sprinklers as well, but you sort of get the sense of it right here.
A lot of material out there.
Yeah. And again, you know, the big point is it's going to protect your investment, and if it's designed properly, it's the most efficient way to water.
It's the way to go.
I love it. Thank you, Lee.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.